Hello everyone. So this is Dia Premium. Premium kasi mabuhay ka ho. Mabuhay ka ho. Who's mabuhay ka? I have my Dia. As a Dia main, I'm happy for the release of this granny na may anger issue. Silonin and Farina. Dia's doing more damage than ever. Mas maganda na support si Citlali kaysa kay Ben. Mas malaki damage ng Dia ko. Still, di pa rin found yung elemental skill and normals and Constellation 0. So excited for the anniversary. Or malos sa 50-50.
The desert's
Basta Candia lang. And I wish pag magka ano pa yan? Chronicled Wish banner yung Somero. I hope they included Dea's weapon. Kasi ito gamit ko kung Dea. By the way, forced to play po ako. Forced to play. Sure. I don't know. But here's Sira. I'ma change this one. Pero wala pa akong item for that. And then I need a support build for Citlali. Kasi parang mas malaki pa damage ni Citlali na level 40 kaysa Candia. Sakit. Sakit ni Citlali, promise. Hindi talaga joke tong granny na to. Everyone becomes DPS with Farina talaga. So the best upgrade sa account na to is si Farina. Cylon is looking good. And Farina de Fontaine looking good too. All of them are C0. Ito yung C1. Forced to play everyone, but yes, looking good. Mas malaki talaga damage ni Farina and Citlali over my almost triple crown day. It hurts, but still, they're good together. Wait. Saan tayo pwede mag-practice? Si Andreas na lang, yung wolf.
according to some of the older era.
Ay, wag. Child na lang. Kasi immune si Andreas sa damage ni Citlali. Kasi cryo. Drinking some tea. Let's test Dea's damage. Before with Bennett, he is doing 10,000. 10,000 per punch. But now, with Citlali, I hope it goes higher than 10,000. 10,000 and 15k yung pinakamataas na nakita ko Candia. With a proper rotation, ha? With Bennett. But now, parang kukulangan ako ng energy recharge.
This opportunity is quite hard to come by. Well then, amuse me. Surrender is a valid option. I promise I'll be gentle. Cowering already?
Patayin ko muna si Charles.
You've made some progress. Not bad. You've got a trick or two.
Shower me with prayer!
Yung salak niya.
Gotta be strong! Get to... Let's get it on! Hi!
That's still doing HP. ko na nakita. What the heck? Wait lang. What is this guy doing?
Bring it! Let the mountains veins boil! Let the world come alive! See, Laline, East Papa! Fulfill our pact! You asked for it! Look alive!
Wow! That was consistent. Congratulations, Dea! My main forever. Mabuhay ka na parang Zhongli. 2 in 1, but lower damage. Still, good. Good, baby girl. Well, kulang pa kasi siya sa crit damage and crit rate. Such a shame, AR-56 na, pero hindi ako marunong mag-build ng character. I'll try my best to build Dea good. And also si Lali kasi level 40 pa tayo. And I noticed pag nandiyan elemental skill ni Dea at nagka-damage lahat ng member, yung ibang damage na pupunta sa kanya, at pag nag-group siya, mas malaking damage yung makukuha niya. My bad for not using the burst, so I mean the elemental skill first, then swap to other characters. I forgot about that. Wait. Mahina wifi guys mo rin. Parang naghahang tuloy yung phone ko. The wifi is wifi in Charles. This is the Dea Premium Team. Sure. Mavuika who? Charis. I love the bike though. I love the design of Mavuika, but why the bike? The bike, guys, it doesn't suit Genshin that much, so I decided I won't pull for Mavuika, but will never replace my Dea. I'll get. I want Mavuika at first, but when I saw that motorcycle, it disappointed me. So I'd stay with my Dea as my main. I saw big damage, but I don't like the motorcycle. I'm so sorry. Sorry for that, but I don't like the motorcycle.
Look alive! Ha! Ha! Bring it! Get to work! Let's get it on! Show no mercy!
Wait, what? Kasi plano ko na dito. I'm weird about that. Sige. Lipat tayo sa Reduce Vine. Yung Reduce Vine naman ko. Kawawa yung Reduce Vine. Change ko kaya yung lineup. Kasi parang gusto ko i-last si Lali. Hindi si Foreign. And then, sa gitna si Dea. But still. Let's try it.
Shower me with praise! Let my name echo in song!
Talaga daming si Foreign.
letting brave names echo! How annoying! Fulfill our pact! You're dead meat! Look alive! Hi! Get to work!
Si Flash is so good. Dang. Mas maganda, baka mas maganda pag naging level 70 din si Lali. Maganda tong weapon na to sa kanya, ha? Para sa Elemental Mastery. Naka DPS build kasi siya, guys. With Furina. Yung ano, yung pag nagde-drain ng HP. Yung sa domain ni Furina, kasi kung Furina ako palagi nagpa-farm. Pero yung nabibigay para kang Citlali, kaya yan. Pinagamit ko na muna kang Citlali. Temporary. Papalitan ko lang. And then my main Dia will need a new artifact. Kapag gamitin ko sa kanila ni Citlali and Solonen in future is itong artifact na to. Wait. Ito. For this passive ng haba, pero parang nagbibigay lang ng much more utility. Somewhat like a buff for Dea, Furina, or whoever was blocked. Lobat, so bye na guys, bye. Lobat na pala kayo pala naglalaw. I'm so sorry. Okay, bye. Bye. Say bye, Dia. Dia cute man siya. Talents. Constellations. Her signature artifact. This weapon. I sometimes use Favonius over this one. Because Favonius has a lot of energy recharge. And it's better. Yeah. That's all. So, bye everyone. They are in here with a code Mabuika.